welcome to Vancouver. Hello! Hello, welcome to Vancouver Island. Here for an 8-day road trip. I guess 9-day, 8-night, I don't know, here for a bit over a week. And I'm going to be exploring a little bit more of the north side of the island this time. I've done a little bit of the south side on a couple different trips. And yeah, I'm really excited. Right now I am in, where am I? I'm in Parksville-ish area, just north of Nanaimo. Took the ferry over yesterday. Beautiful ferry ride. I would say that the BC ferries are nicer than the Washington ferries. Anyway, I am wandering around some docks here. Hopefully I'm allowed to be here. I bet it'll be okay. Like, look at these mountains in the distance. That's the mainland, I believe. That's mainland British Columbia. Hello, bald eagle. Beautiful.
Yeah, I thought you'd catch on.
I figured it out eventually. Let's put the cones. I love that. I see, so now I put it down here. Okay, I'm catching on. I'm not quite there yet, but we'll figure it out.
Oh, that's good.
So exploring a little side road west of Campbell River today, down to I think Gold River, Gold River, something like that. And then tomorrow we're going to go even further north up to Port Hardy. Eventually I'm going to make it back down to the Ucluelet and Tofino area, but I don't know if that'll be in this video or next. But we got a lot of exploring to do. About a week left to do it, so should be fun. But for now, there's a, I think, 75-foot waterfall on a suspension bridge that I gotta go check out. Sally? No. It's Penny? Okay, she's still very cute. Hello. Good morning.
Porpoise. I know it looks cool.
Okay, that was incredible. I had a hard time photographing it, and it would have been really cool to be able to go all the way into the cave. But the water was flowing too high for that, and I would have had to get in the river, which I'm definitely not doing today. But go check out some of Adam Gibbs's photos from there a long time ago, I think, but really cool spot, and I did not do it justice, but really enjoyed going down there. Glad I went. Glad I braved the rough road. Wasn't that bad, but it's worth going to. Man, the north side of the island is definitely growing on me. I think I just also really like seeing the Pacific Northwest when it's overcast and rainy, and it's finally that. Sunny days are nice some places, and rainy days are nice other places. That is my thoughts on that. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. What day is it? Done 5/9, day 6 of the trip, I believe. And we're headed to the Tofino area. I'm staying in Ucluelet because it's a lot cheaper and also really cool. But it's, yeah, I love it there. I'm at a loss for words because I just had probably the best coffee shop experience and maybe the best coffee that I've had in like a year. I don't know, in a long time. So good. If you're ever in Qualicum Beach, I think is the town. French press coffee roasters. I walked in and I was immediately hit over the head with the smell of bacon and freshly baked bread. And so I got a bacon scone that had just come out of the oven. Delicious. So good. Full of butter. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then I got a flat white. And I shit you not, I drink a lot of coffee. And I do find myself to be a bit of a coffee nerd. This is the best coffee I've had in a long time. Just a great experience overall. And would highly recommend going to the French Press Coffee if you're ever in the Qualicum Beach area. I think they have one in Parksville too. It's kind of worth going to Vancouver Island for that experience, but no guarantees that they'll have freshly baked bacon scones when you get there. It's probably worth the risk though, just in case they do. Anyway, now I'm driving the like 12 minutes from there to a waterfall, so this place is wonderful and I love it, and it's drizzling, very Pacific Northwest, and I feel at home here, you know. Big fan. You know how some people are like desert people and some people are, I don't know, mountain people or ocean people? I'm this type of people. I just come alive in environments like this. And I'm reminded vividly of the first time that I came here a little over 6 years ago. And just how much like this that I felt, and how drawn to the Pacific Northwest that I was, just immediately. And that has not changed one bit. Just feel it in here. Something special about this place, man. Holy cow. That is a big tree. This is all just one trunk. Look at this. That's freaking crazy. Man, what a morning. I love it here. I've been to the Ucluelet and Tofino area 3 times now. And the first time I stayed in Ucluelet, the second time I stayed closer to Tofino, but it was in March. Much cheaper then. They're both really nice towns, but they're pretty different from like a landscape perspective. Tofino has a lot more sandy beaches. Ucluelet is really rocky. It's like, look at this. It's so pretty. We're not in Seattle anymore, folks. I hope I don't see a mountain lion here. That is the lowest resolution picture of a wolf I have ever seen. Oh my god. The bear one looks nice though. The mountain lion's probably just as bad. What the heck? They're cheap out on their Shutterstock subscription? I just passed an older couple walking the other way on this trail, and they said hello, good morning, all of those things, and then they said make sure to keep an eye out for whales because they've seen a couple whale spouts in the distance. So we're gonna keep an eye out for some whales because I love me some whale sightings, especially from land. It's so cool to just see them from land. So we'll see. You guys let me know if you see anything, okay? I think I saw a whale. Maybe. I don't know, it was right close to shore, but kind of in the distance that way, so I'm just scrambling over these lava rocks or whatever, trying to somewhat safely get there. I don't even know where I'm going at this point. I hope it was a whale and I hope I see it. Okay, that was quite a scramble, but I have a decent view from here. Alright, whale, where are you? God, I'm sweaty. That's a cool tree. Man, what a place. Well, didn't see the whale again, but we'll keep an eye out. And I still don't know if I actually saw a whale, or if it was just a wave crashing on a rock that looked like a whale spout. Have I mentioned how much I like Vancouver Island? because I like Vancouver Island. Like a lot.
The harbor, making your way up towards Fortune Channel for that pass. Will do.
Well, that's going to just about wrap up my Vancouver Island trip. It's been absolutely wonderful. 8-night trip. My third time here, but the longest trip. And I feel like still just barely scratching the surface, and there's so much more to see. So I will definitely be back. And if you get a chance to come, well, I highly recommend it. Fly on over, rent a car, or drive over and take the ferry, whatever it takes. But it's one of my favorite places in the world to explore, and for photography too. And if you get a chance, I highly recommend a whale watching tour, either out of Tofino or Telegraph Cove. I've done, I guess, 3 whale watching tours, all in Canada. They've all been fantastic. This one was particularly good, and really, what a magical experience. I hope some of that came across in the video and in the photos, but it's always cooler in real life. If you want some recommendations on where to go, either on Vancouver Island or elsewhere in the Pacific Northwest, I have some free travel guides. You don't have to sign up for anything or pay any money. It's just basically blog posts. If you go to brianwlackie.com/guides, I've got some suggestions on what to check out in the Pacific Northwest. It's a work in progress. It always will be as I continue to explore this wonderful part of the world, but I just like sharing with other photographers and helping get other people out exploring around here. It's just beautiful. That'll do it for this trip. I want to say thank you so much for watching. Thanks as always for your support in all the form it takes, whether that's just subscribing or buying prints or sending a nice message in a comment or an email. I appreciate all of it. And I will catch you guys later.